Transposing the formula of the area of a triangle, area equals base multiplied by height divided by 2. I said base multiplied by height. We know there is an invisible multiplication between that b and the h. So let's say here we would like to transpose this formula for h. So I'm just highlighting the h to see that the h should stay on this right hand side of the formula, and we need to remove all those two elements away. We need to remove the 2, we need to remove the b. So we probably start from the bottom of this formula, because if I look at the h being here, what's around it? First, it's the b that I touch. Imagine like an onion and the layers of this onion. And then the next layer is the 2. So we peel an onion from the outside. So here we have two operations to break, the divided by 2 and the multiplied by b. But the idea of undoing the operations, peeling the onion, undressing the formula, is that we have to start from the outside, peeling the onion from the outside, starting from the operation that is sitting the furthest away from the h, the subject. So let's just recap what we know. The inverse of multiplication is division. We have to agree that 2 is the element that needs to go away first. So if it's being divided by 2 on the right hand side, it means we have to multiply by 2 to cancel it. So what do? Multiply both sides by 2. So let's do that. Multiply the left hand side by 2, multiply the right hand side by 2. Why are we doing that? To both sides, because we want to keep the balance. To the right hand side especially, or multiply instead of doing any other operation, because 2 now divided by 2 cancel out. 2 into 2 goes once, and 1 multiplied by anything else will just blend in. So now I suggest we copy the formula again. 2 times a on the left hand side, 2a. What's left on the right hand side? b times h. We know there is a times there even if it's not written. Highlight the subject again, it's h. So keep the h there, do not remove it. It's the b, that layer, that needs to go away. So recapping and checking, inverse of multiplication is division. So here, to cancel this multiplication, we're going to divide both sides by b. Both sides because we want to keep the balance. Divide by b because we have a multiply by b on the top. So what happens here? b divided by b is 1, or they cancel out as we say, and we have just h left on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have 2a divided by b. Now that we have finished, if we want, this is good enough because h is isolated, h is the subject of the formula, but I can write it h equals 2a over b, or divided by b.